Hi, it's Paul Van Haren, and I'm the Technical Sales Manager here at GeoCortex. Today we're going to have a quick look at how you can use the ArcGIS Item ID to open up your print templates within GeoCortex Printing Designer. This also offers a great way to share what you're working on with other authors as well. Let's have a look. All right, so here we are inside of GeoCortex Printing Designer. And as you can see in the URL, we've got this parameter here that shows print equals, and then we've got an ID here. And so this ID is actually the ArcGIS Item ID. And the way to verify that is just to go to Info and View, and we'll bring up that ID here in ArcGIS Online, and you can see that we have that same ID. So you really get a quick look at what that ID is, and you can actually use this URL and provide it to a colleague, or use it, save it somewhere and use it later. But it's a quick way to just get back right into the work you were working on and get right back to it, rather than, say, going to the File menu and trying to find it that way. So I'll give you a quick look here. So even if I were to sign out, and let's just open up a new tab. You can see the ID is still there. Let's get in there. It'll just generate a new session here for me. And again, that ID has been passed through the URL, through the sign-in procedure, and that'll bring you right back to that print template that I was working on. So like I said, it really provides a quick and easy way to open up your print templates, or provide the URL to a colleague or another author for them to continue working on it. So that's all I have for you today, and have yourself a great day.